let's make a thing. Open your terminal client. Terminal on Mac or iTerm or whatever you got. On Windows, use git bash. Or if you want to use hyper, you can use hyper. But if hyper isn't doing the right thing, use git bash. If that is making you very confused, it was in the setup instructions that I sent out last night, which were also in the prerequisites that you sent, but it may not have been obvious that you were supposed to do them. Yeah. What's that? No, git bash is for Windows. There's just a built-in terminal client on Mac. What do you have? Do you have Linux? Yeah. I thought you must have, since you asked the question earlier about Chromium. So you have your terminal, right? That's perfectly fine. That's bash. So that'll be fine. So if you want to make sure you're using the right thing, hit pwd, the command pwd, print working directory, and you should get back your user directory or something. If anyone gets pwd command not found, let me know, and you're running the wrong thing. Cool. So hopefully you are in your home directory. You got command not found? Okay, what terminal are you running? Like, maybe it's cmd.exe or something. No, like what did you do to open it? And pwd didn't work? I can't see that. pwd, print working directory. Okay, yeah. Print working directories. I'm sorry. So that's how you can tell which folder you're in. Sorry. Okay, good. Then we've all got bash. That makes us happy. All right. So we're going to create a folder to put all of our let's do this again. To put all of our projects for the boot camp in. We're going to make separate folders for all of our projects. Ready? So we want to make a directory. So let's mkdir with mkdir, mkdir. Let's make a directory called, I'm going to call it XTBC. Call it what you want, but XTBC for all our projects. Now keep in mind, after you mkdir, you must change it into that dir. It doesn't do it automatically. So do cd space XTBC. And you can always use tab completion. I'll just type X. I don't think I have any other X folders. Tab, sure enough, XTBC. Make sure I don't mistype it. So now I'm in my XTBC directory. So I'm going to make a new folder inside there for the project we're actually going to be working on. You like books? Who likes books? Well, you should like books. Books make you look smarter than video games or whatever kids are into these days. Video games. Yeah, I know I had Super Mario Bros. 3 in my slides. So, anybody ever use Goodreads? No? Okay, cool. Yeah, fine. You guys are weak. Would we rather do something else? Man, I was going to make an app and I was going to call it Cuba Goodreads Jr. What do you like? What are the kids into these days?
A lot of people, when we were doing the names, were like into movies.
People are into movies, yeah. What kind of movies you like? You like your Goldblum movies. You like your Tatum Tots, Channing Tatum Tots. You like all your Chris's. Like all the Chris's, the superheroes. They're all named Chris these days for some reason. Because about 35 years ago, parents got super uncreative. Everyone who wasn't David was Chris. I was David, so here I am. You like that? So what could we call it? Well, it's kind of the Marvel movies these days. It's just a whole mess of Christmases. It's just a big mess of Chris's. So it's kind of a Chris mess. Horrible puns are the name of the game around here. Let's make ourselves a Chris mess. No? Cuba Goodreads Jr., what do you want to do? Steam? Like games? We're going to make our own summer sale? It's the summer sale right now, which is so dangerous. Oh, man. Let's make a mess of Chris's. All right. Mkdir. Let's mkdir. Let's make our Chris mess. Why not? This is so dumb. All right, we got a Chris mess. Don't forget to change into that directory after you've done that. So we're going to make a new folder in which to put our new code. It'll be very exciting. We're going to have some HTML. We're going to have some CSS. We're going to have some JavaScript. It'll be a good time. So let's create some new files in this empty directory. We're going to just create empty files, which we can do with the command touch. So just touch index.html. Just touch index.css. And just touch index.js. Then we want to open up our code editor in this directory. We want to open it just in this directory so that there's no chance of putting things in the wrong place. So if you have Visual Studio Code and the gods are smiling on you, you should just be able to type code space dot. And it will open up Visual Studio Code, showing only the files inside Christmas. Yeah. What if you have Sublime? I think it's just SUBL. SUBL space dot. See if that works. Your end didn't work. Command not found for code. All right, we can fix that. If you have Atom, Atom space dot.